Feminism, a quest for gender equality. Feminism at its core is a movement that seeks to achieve equality between men and women. It challenges traditional gender roles and norms, advocating for women's rights in areas like education, employment, reproductive health, and political representation. Liberal feminism. This strand of feminism emphasizes individual rights and freedoms, arguing that women should have the same opportunities and choices as men. It focuses on removing legal and social barriers that prevent women from achieving their full potential. Socialist feminism. This perspective links women's oppression to broader economic and social structures, particularly capitalism and patriarchy. It argues that true gender equality requires a fundamental transformation of society. Radical feminism. This approach views patriarchy as a root cause of women's oppression and seeks to dismantle it through radical social change. It challenges traditional gender roles and norms in both the public and private spheres. LGBTQ+ rights. The struggle for acceptance and equality. The LGBTQ+ rights movement advocates for the rights and acceptance of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer individuals. It seeks to end discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity and to ensure that LGBTQ+ have equal access to rights and opportunities in all areas of life. Liberal arguments for LGBTQ+ rights. Liberalism's emphasis on individual liberty and equality provides a strong foundation for supporting these people's rights. Liberals argue that individuals should be free to express their sexual orientation and gender identity without fear of discrimination or prejudice. Challenges and debates. The fight for LGBTQ+ rights has been met with resistance from conservative and religious groups who argue that it threatens traditional values and norms. There are also ongoing debates within the LGBTQ+ community about the best strategies for achieving equality and acceptance. Multiculturalism. Embracing diversity in a changing world. Multiculturalism is the belief that different cultures can coexist peacefully and enrich society as a whole. It emphasizes respect for cultural diversity and the importance of creating a society where everyone feels valued and included. The liberal case for multiculturalism. Liberalism's emphasis on tolerance and pluralism aligns with the goals of multiculturalism. Liberals argue that a diverse society is a stronger society, one that benefits from the different perspectives and experiences of its members. Challenges and debates. Multiculturalism has been criticized for potentially undermining social cohesion and national identity. There are also debates about how to balance the rights of minority groups with the need to protect the values and traditions of the wider society. Conclusion: the ongoing struggle for a more just and inclusive society. Feminism, LGBTQ+ rights, and multiculturalism are all complex and evolving issues. They raise important questions about the meaning of equality, the limits of tolerance, and the role of state in promoting social justice. But they are also central to the ongoing struggle for a more just and inclusive society, one where everyone is treated with respect and dignity, regardless of their gender, sexual orientation, or cultural background. As we have seen throughout this course, liberalism provides a powerful framework for addressing these issues. Its emphasis on individual rights, equality, and tolerance can help to guide us towards a more just and inclusive future. The struggle for social justice is ongoing, and it requires the continued efforts of individuals, communities, and governments to create a world where everyone can truly flourish.